Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another repair video, this time in a Marine ECM. This is a MEFI 3 computer sent to me by Kim Padron. That's all the information I have, and not even have his email or anything. I think he might have an email. I will look into it, but no address. This is just for him so he can see the actual numbers on the computer. The way this computer came, it was actually needing an urgent care surgeon. I mean, it was really bad. Both injector drivers shorted. Right now, I'm doing a test. The computer has been running for almost 40 minutes. That's the total run time in here. I'm right now running at 3,000 RPMs. I got the oscilloscope in both channels. I see that it's matching precisely what my simulator is actually providing, so that is great. I can change the cursors in here from uh, vertical to horizontal, so we can see also the amplitude of the waveform, and we can see, let me just see, this is a little, gotta go down right there. So we have 13.1 volts, pulling it down to 76 millivolts. Those drivers are 100% good. So everything is working good in the computer. I'm going to bring it to idle. That's not there. I know that is 45 hertz in here. It's my idle around 600 RPMs. And then I gotta check or change the TPS position to around 5%, 6%. So we're around 670 RPMs. Everything is looking normal. No fault codes. I gotta change the time now. Well, actually, no, it's still here. So the amplitude didn't change. I can go, I'm just trying to get more in the screen. So the amplitude of the worm is perfectly. Let me just measure change the cursors from horizontal to vertical. We're still in channel 2. And this is very unique to this Roach and Schwartz um, oscilloscope. This is the RTH 1004. Very good. This is a 5 gigasamples per second. 500 megahertz is very capable. And it has up to 600 volts inputs. So this is really, really good. This is Cat 4 and Cat 3 rated. Not a problem. All right, so let's put the cursors. Let me see what I'm moving in here. Trying to get it close to what I can see around there, right? Okay, so 2.347, 2.3. That's a perfect match. I am also checking the 5-volt reference in here. So sensor ground and sensor reference voltage is good. No fault. Computer running for over 40 minutes. Um, for those that wants to contact me, please use my website. Look for Mike, and it spells MAIC, Salazar Diagnostic. You can do a search in Google. Guarantee you, as soon as you put that name like that, I'll be probably number one. Don't, and this is one request, because sometimes if you click my name, it's not going to happen with me because obviously it's myself, so Google knows that. But don't click on the ads in there. Just go down to here and click on the website. All right, so when you reach my website, you can either click on here, which is the contact form. That would open your email provider, anything in phone or in the tablet or in a computer. Or if you want to send a message, this will immediately send me a message. And this is, I got it on my phone and everything. So as soon as you send something like that, I will be able to uh, email you, text you, anything. This will provide a form. It's not going to show up in here because I already feel it and I know it's working. But as soon as you open the chat, you can make questions in there like, what are you located? What is your phone number? And so on. And then also when you click on send a message, it's going to open a form that is going to ask you for your email and contact information. Like that, I can immediately start talking to you and get your computer repair. All right, so going into Kim's folder, we got it right here. I'm going to open his picture so you can see the way this came first. Well, the first thing that I want to show is the connectors. Let me just go there. All right, so this is connector J1. I want you to see the corrosion in these pins in here. I mean, as you can see all the water. I already cleaned this with dioxide and Stabilitan 21. And you can see J2. Again, you see this little leg in here. That's the ear on the computer. The other side doesn't have nothing. And we can see how corroded this is. A lot of corrosion. So these connectors on the computer definitely will have to be looking really bad. So he's gonna have to repair that. This is just pictures of the computer open, but you can see that in here. This is the computer connected. It was 5 reference were there. One of the injectors, even though it was uh, abnormal, 6.5 milliseconds, that's abnormal. So it was not fully shorted, but it wasn't working properly. But we can see J117. Again, this is a two bank of drivers. It can be multi-pore or TBI injectors. The computer can support either one. This I think is a multi-pore injector. And you can see how the 17 is fully shorted. So yes, I opened the computer and I use my curve tracer, and then I found that we have problems. This is the areas that you can see with red dots. That is a failure. Failure to the data that I have to compare with, because this is an automated test that I run, and I know that we have problem. I even run in here, and these pads were not doing contact. So I'm like, okay, let me work on these. Let me work on this computer, try to fix it, and then see if it's possible to fix. I contacted Kim, and he approved the repairs. So what else I have here? Because I want to share. I thought I have a picture. Oh, let me open it from here. Where is that one? Right here. This is just for you guys to understand. Oh, this is not the one. Where is that one? Because this doesn't have markings. Well, it does have markings, but not the ones that I'm looking for. Don't know what's this one. No, give me 1 second, guys, to locate the correct photo. Oh, I think I'm inside the folder of the customers, and that's why. Yeah, that's not the updated one. This is the updated one. Again, this is my information. I make this so I follow the paths and I know with a known good computer where is this one goes all to, this one goes to, and that one goes to, and so on. So I know that those are the paths that these drivers needs to be in contact. I follow over to the other section, which is this crystal drivers. We have diodes in between, and then I follow the signal all the way to the microprocessor, as you can see here. But yeah, so uh, that's how I was able to repair this computer. And as you can see, it's working 100%. All right, Kim, your computer is ready. I will be contacting you shortly. Another MEFI 3 computer that is safe from the scrapyard, because these are hard to get, very expensive, and it's just the easiest way to keep your boat running. Another happy customer, another boat that is going to be back in the water soon and enjoying, well, probably next year because it's now cold weather. We're almost in December 2023. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And like we say in Costa Rica, pura vida. See you next time. Bye bye.